Time to say goodbye all of you, my dear friend. I will go back to Meghalaya, so take care all of you. I hope we'll see you soon next time. Okay, just look this vlog all. Thank you for your supporting me and for your don't forget to share, like and subscribe my channel. That's why I want to say for you. That's it. Look here, the beautiful nature. What is the time now? 2:40. Okay, almost 2 o'clock. We'll go back to Meghalaya. Look here, the Bangalore, the viewpoint. Okay, here in Bangalore. I don't have any words to say for you because I will go back. Kala Frank Tangila Chan Poisha Airport Bangalore. Sa tangkan nominate ngila chan poy ngilay daga terminal 2 na marka ngila di book flight daga terminal 2 tingala chan poy mo sapi ngan sapan iya phi ka terminal kape sa kana ka kadai kasin nang kang yene para sinong tengaro ban lei sinong all the best yi ban poy sukses sinong giting ngim lei phai sinong rang su ong ye phi mo ngilay unyai ne para sinong na marka lei sinong ta kada kape sa kana ka kada de por man singi lei te wa ban lei sinong Squad and Sabit destination. We reached Terminal 1, right? So we have to go for Terminal 2. That's one. Wow, look there. It's very good, okay? Look, we almost reached here, okay? The beautiful, I don't know how to say for you guys. Just look my vlog, you will never see, I think. Oh my god, thank you so much. Oh, may I help you? Wow, Ani getting best. Hey, so it's time to say for you good night. Good night. It's time to say for you goodbye. भैया है ड्रॉप करने के लिए हम लोग इधर में हम लोग गांव जा रहे हैं. हाय बोले तो इन्हें लेट फाइश नंग न भैया थैंक यू सो मच ayo kita tan ke dalam Aruda. It's time to say for Aruda goodbye Aruda. She will go back, I think. We almost reach here in Bangalore airport. Look here, the beautiful, I don't know, I can't believe. Okay, we reach here, so it's time to say for her goodbye because she will go home. Bye. So we will never see, I think, only for call. Okay, don't forget to call. Okay. I think she will never forget to call for us. Okay. Hey, ong si Chiang kren kandiat sapang bapilit singaw kum no balit phai singaw yop lit phai singaw. Eh, la excited pala. Wait, la excited pala de. La excited day. She already excited she will go home, right? That's why. I will go, my sister. We came to drop for her. Ano samro? Lawan nang so. Taharang video ihakasun ta kalwan sinang gagal. Magasoy lawan sinang ka makalo airport Bangalore. Buya ko buka Aruda. Iya, ma iya ke Aruda nang la drop hakana ka buka ka ple. Makana ka buka ka da kamin diam ka tanong. Ay pra ka thank you ha kaya ako de. Masato la sabang kalor sai ke sa chnong he. E than ka da lan bre sai te sa man chnong man ngin leit no, ngin leit phai chnong no. Ngin leit phai chnong la jong nga kandung kendang ngan leit phai sala. Hey, kelana euso. Sala chnong ngan leit phai, klem jing perwa, klem jing kuslai. Sala chnong ngan leit phai. Klem jeng perwa, klem jeng kuslai. Hau no kameraman ay anong reng hudi reng hanya. Hama ya kendong na ibyak. Riki lagi. Ton tinya. Mai lia lawan sinong apa ba? Siala sinong ngelek pan pai. Eh punyat na. Punyat diam. Bye bye. We will go back home. Meghalaya Shillong. Kasabada ko min diam ka. Hadi lawan sinong. Nangalahatan no reng mana phai ka. Go. Finally, we already reached here. Okay, look what the beautiful International Airport. Hey, mati na ilte kala haguso. May edulo keu no thau reng hasu ko so ira tau de. Onde ha ka play to edulo thau reng de si reng ken ga su ka jai na. Mak pemak buk lega ni ha kata buk lega adhar. Katina la de di break ta. Mak kala dah lawan approach no play dah. Dah. Bagus tu lah beri kau selipar he de. Lapoi hang ni look here finally the beautiful dah hai. Mak dapat ke terminal tu ke nong. Hai tei dau. Kata di sebuah baje angan peni fik lakat no baje mentah. Lalai kendai menit. Kamlong ni tebalik um tu. Ani hin cuai por de ti ha. We just reached here, right? So support us. We will making vlog like that only, and we just want to make like a solo vlog. Okay, we don't have any option to making vlog. That's it. I want to make. So do subscribe us and comment us. That's it. I want to say for you guys. Bye bye. Airport Bangalore, ban drop ya in jangan para jangan ba ilit phai no sa Meghalaya. Kaya nila excited ha, iru la excited ha mentai la gan sa airport nila di drop jadi ting nang up sa ba in Siong hapo airport nama ni ting im lit nong re hapan Siong phai no sa ka. Kaya la leit mentai sa Shillong dang up nek ba jadi di san ba. Ke support yang ni I mesem yang ni jadi support jumpa yang ni dan guys check mat. Okay, welcome to Leit and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye. Thank you. Hello guys, finally here in Bangalore airport. So I'm so excited. We came to drop for my sister here. She already go in Meghalaya, Shillong. So we have to go back to kren. So do support us and subscribe us. That's it. I want to say for you. Bye bye. Ngiru ngila leit no namar ngila dip drop ya I te la poi po fly mantai dang abyak fly chung I tingur ngi mon leit no namar la de ke por la lai steng sau baje mo te ngi leit no te pen I pat ya phian dang ngila poi sing mo namar la mit palat impat thya re hadu mentah good duty si wan sini namar leit ayu ye parlo leit pesak jaka ya Tây tháo map vậy bạn đi chứ turn left onto Bangalore Drive. Continue on Bangalore Drive for 1.5 kilometers. Jadu koyo jilna king ayu kadalong kamon lo banajrong kasing krung hanga pabakin long kandema bayoji sino shung lam mapi pero baros dangki ya om kadur ka pastai de hapos no sibun kila sibun kidan ki em berinteraction kita gusto ka jang umari tabayo na Abatiaba siang siapa berikan mau tanti senduk tinggi abadan mana nama bi babat syabi